So students, this experiment deals with the speed control of chopper-fed DC motor. So the kit what you are watching is four current operation of chopper-fed. Okay, here you have four IGBTs: IGBT1, IGBT2, IGBT3, and IGBT4 respectively. And the pulses will be given with the help of PWM, with the help of microcontroller circuit. So we have a keyboard to in order to increment and decrement the pulses given to the IGBT. We have four separate switches to enable the pulses given to IGBT for the base junction and the emitter junction separately. We have H1, H2, L1, and L2. Okay, properly I have to give to the respective legs so that the IGBT is turned on. H1 to H1, H2 to H2, H3 to L1 to L1, and L2 to L2 correspondingly. The circuit connection is so simple, such a way that the top two of the power circuit IGBT is being connected. Okay, the top two switches is being connected, and the bottom two, the black, has to be connected, and the middle two is being connected in series. The dotted lines is being connected already. The top two is going to be given the separate switches for H1, H2, L1, and L2 separately. That shows you the pulses given to the respective IGBTs. And this side we have the power card separately. We have 30-volt power card separately. Okay, in order to give to the power to the circuit. So after giving connections to respective IGBTs, you are going to give power from the RPS supply. We have separate RPS supply plus terminal to top end of the IGBT and negative terminal to the bottom end of the IGBT is being given. So this is the simple power circuit diagram. So we are going to give the same connections now. So this kit give you the connections what I told you now, and you're going to control the motor. So in between the intermediate connections, you're going to give the motor BLDC motor, 24 volt BLDC motor, the intermediate connections between the IGBTs. So our aim is to control the speed of the given DC motor, BLDC motor. Chopper control. Chopper is DC to DC converter, so fixed DC to variable DC, and you need to control the speed of the given DC motor. How it is being controlled? By varying the duty cycle of the chopper. So when you are giving the supply voltages via the RPS, set the voltage input voltage as 25 volt and main switch on the main kit. So this is the main control circuit with help of microcontroller. What you're going to see is a chopper circuit. So pulse width modulated chopper. So initially it is off. We have four directions of the given motor to be running: forward direction and backward direction. So we have increment, decrement, forward, reverse, run, and stop. What you are going to see in the keyboard. So increment and set some value of the PWM duty cycle. Okay, say some 85 percentage or 75 percentage, 0.85. So duty ratio is on time of the chopper divided by total time period. It varies between 0 to 1. So I am keeping as 85 percentage. It means that 0.85. So we have run and stop. Run. Press the run button. Now you observe the motor start rotating. Slowly observe it. Yes. Now the motor begins to rotate in the forward direction. So have a quick look such a way that the motor is rotating in the forward direction. So now I am going to check the speed of the given DC motor with the help of a tachometer. Take a tachometer. Observe the speed in the nozzle. So the speed is being verified because I'm going to control the speed. So ultimate aim is to check the speed. Now the speed is being checked. So you're getting around 26 or 2749 RPM. So maximum 3000 RPM you can able to make the motor to rotate. So the speed is coming around 2745. Please make a note of that. Now I am stopping that. Reverse. Next is I am pressing the reverse button such a way that the motor rotates in the opposite direction, anti-clockwise direction. We call this the reverse. So the motor will stop. Now you can able to have a quick look. Now it rotates in the opposite direction. We call this the reverse direction of the motor. So 1 second you can able to check the speed. So take the tachometer for the same value of the pulse width modulation. Okay, you can able to check the speed of the motor, BLDC motor. For the reverse direction. So now when speed is checked, we have the same value. So now 85 percentage. So 0.85. So it's going to 0.85. Now you check the speed. So almost is very close. 27 or 2693 RPM. You're getting around. Note down that. Note down the speed correspondingly. So this is the way of controlling the speed of the given DC motor in forward direction and reverse direction. So you can increment, you can decrement, run and stop. That's all. If you stop means the experiment will become to halt, such that you can able to have alternate value of PWM. You can able to have different values of duty ratio. You can control the speed of the given DC motor. Now you can stop it. So the experiment comes to halt. So you have to set one batch to 0. You can have to have other value of the duty ratio. So this is the experimental setup for speed control of DC motor. You can able to swap to any values. Some other values of duty ratio can be set. So initially I kept at 85 percentage, 0.85. You can have a quick look once again. Thank you.